Librum aims to help people capture and come back to the treasured memories of their lost loved ones. It emphasizes many people's need to share memories with others and talk about their experiences in order to ease their grieving process. There are 4 overarching pillars or goals of Librum: capturing and evoking memories, sharing memories and social support, carefully handling and being conscious of emotions, and privacy. For an example, Donald is an expat that lives far from his home country, Germany, and as a newcomer to Melbourne, he hasn't established many new friends to share his experiences with. His childhood friend, Carolyn, recently passed away overseas in Berlin, but he could not attend the funeral due to COVID-19 restrictions. It's been so long since they last saw each other, and he'd like to be able to sit down, reflect, and note down cherished memories of them together. He'd also like to connect with others who are also close to Carolyn, be it mutual friends or family, and share their experiences, memories, and support together. Donald just received an invitation from a mutual friend back in Berlin, sharing him a memory book on a new site called Librum. He's curious to see what kind of cherished memories are already there, and would like to add his own to reflect and connect with friends who also loved Carolyn. After signing up, he goes through a couple quick questions about what he's comfortable with talking about, some topics and prompts, and content he would like to avoid. This is a key theme in our research. Each person experiences their own emotional journey, and everyone is different. There are some areas that people would rather not talk about, which can be different for everyone. We need to not assume what Donald might be comfortable with, and allow him to opt in to whatever he prefers. This brings Donald to the memory book that his friend shared with him. Several mutual friends and family members have already noted down a couple memories that he can see here. The ability to capture and evoke memories was something that our study participants deemed important, and already do through a variety of other methods: keeping mementos, archiving in diaries, logging in an app, or keeping photos in a photo book, not unlike this now virtual memory book. Donald would like to add a memory of his own to the book, so he's able to either freely put it in or is given several prompts he could use. These prompts are derived from our participants' feedback about our study itself. Using a cultural probe, one participant in particular remarked about the study's creative prompts and activities providing a loose structure for reflection that they found helpful in their own grieving process. They didn't know what to focus on and found that more focused prompts provided them some direction to remember some more cherished memories. Donald has the ability to choose from a wide variety of prompts. For example, what is the most important piece of advice you'd give someone that's also recently lost a loved one? And where do you have the happiest memories of your lost loved one? He chooses that final option. From there, he can respond with a wide variety of different types of data. For example, an interactive map, images, collage, text, audio, or a mixture of these. By promoting flexibility and creativity through these different media types, this allows Donald to capture and evoke memories on his own terms, using whichever media he prefers, as noted in the study, while giving an opportunity for Donald to maybe try out a collage or something that he hadn't thought of doing before. He finds a mixture of a map and text describing the significance of these locations fits his purpose well, as well as a quick photo of them there as well. After completing this step, Donald can now select whether he wants this memory to be private to him, shared only with invited people, or completely public. Participants expressed many privacy concerns, with cherished memories of a past loved one being such personal content that they would not want to share with specific people. Here, they have complete control, and have even more options in the book's admin panel if they wish. So we can now see the new memory that Donald just added to the book. The river interface helps to give a more human feel to this emotional time, instead of a more computer-friendly grid or timeline that might remind users of Facebook or other social media sites. Here we can see the memory Donald just added, with a comment section at the bottom for anyone added to the memory book to comment and start a conversation, offer support, or add their little tidbit to the memory. As one of our research participants noted, relationships are key to everything. Sharing grief through interacting with the family, with partners or friends was reported to be beneficial for supporting the bereaved. Aside from comments, Donald's able to invite other friends or family of Carolyn to share the memory book, privacy settings permitting, and can see and interact with the memories others have chosen to add to the book. However, others might be comfortable sharing memories that Donald isn't comfortable with seeing. Donald's filtering settings he set up at the start mean that he won't see content or even prompts that he mentioned he wasn't comfortable with. These settings can be updated at any time in the admin panel. Additionally, when others add a memory to the book, Donald receives a small pop-up with a short preview of the memory, asking if he would like to see it in the book. He can then opt in to see it, allowing him to hide other people's contributions until, or if, he feels ready to see it. The online platform allows for asynchronous interaction, where Donald can come back to the site whenever he feels like it. This autonomy and lack of smartphone or email pings was mentioned by all study participants. They wanted to be able to control when they were thinking about their loved one, without potentially harmful or emotionally difficult reminders. Donald's scenario is one many of us will unfortunately find ourselves in, and our team Consilio hopes that Librum will provide a tool to help alleviate some of the pain of grief.